Hey guys, so today we're saving up for something. And if you're wondering, I'm trying to make a neon penguin and get this house right here, the big fancy Hollywood house. So I'm just gonna kind of show you guys how I do that. But I just realized that I can get a lot of money in a very short amount of time just from taking care of a pet, and they level up. So I can have a neon penguin, maybe a couple of jungle eggs, and the Hollywood mansion house, whatever you want to call it, because I looked at one of the people that owns the house that live there, and I looked at the house to see if I should buy it. So that's what I'm gonna do today. I'm gonna buy it. But so let's take our penguin so we can get more money and level him up more. You right. And then we gotta give him a shower. And he's sick now. Oh yeah, someone made my penguin sick. That's why private servers are good when leveling up pets, because other people make them sick. So sometimes they just get sick for no reason, but when someone literally makes your pet sick, it's so annoying. But anyway, so we have Mr. Penguin today. We have one full-grown penguin, which is Max down here. He's full-grown. But so now we're working on Mr. Penguin next. Because we only have 3 neon pets and I want 4. I want to make it an even number. Because that would be cool. Because, the more pets you have, the better it would be. The better it is. But so anyway, we gotta take our penguin to the hospital. Good thing we got a house in the slot really close to it. But so I'm gonna come in here. So I also found the fastest way to do the doctor stuff is so you basically go to Dr. Hart instead, and you just.
Alright, little babies, I'm gonna head to Delhi.
Okay. Goodbye.
And I won't be long.
Okay.
We're good to each other and good for Dad.
But so anyway, guys, sorry about that. We are. Do. Okay, so I'm gonna go up here. I'm actually gonna go into my house. I'm gonna basically break in to my own house. Oh no. This isn't challenging for anyone. Anyone can literally just do that. I'm really sad that you can't sit in these chairs. That is what I wish? I wish that, it was more normal to the point where you can literally put your pumpkins and stuff outside if you want, so you can actually put pet stuff outside on your porches and things. That would be really cool. 'Cause it would just make more sense. Oh. Sorry, I was confused. I'm whose house is this? This does not look normal. And then I realized that I just came in through the top entrance. I am very dumb. But so also, guys, I made, in this house, I bought it just yesterday or whatever. I call it the Cool Pets Lounge. So I have inside, I saw a video using this exact room, and they made a bungalow, so that's exactly what I did. So I have since it is the Cool Pets Lounge, and the cool pets are penguins and unicorns, we have a unicorn lamp and a penguin lamp, a little TV, the cheapest one, because, I don't have that many savings right now. A really cheap table, 3 counters, 2 bricks up there, 1 or 2 bricks up there, a couch. You know, we're living the good life. And this is the Cool Pets Lounge. We have the 3 different color lamps. This looks a prettier pink in the daytime, but yeah, this is the penguin's bed, this is the unicorn, and then the shadow dragon. Then I have just a little bath for them, so like I can do anything with my pets. But so I got my little dishes over there, whatever, you know. A window that's literally barely, you know, succeeding in life. It's not really fitting in the house, because it is. But so anyway, I also have this glass bridge here because, like, I want the light to definitely shine through. But also, like, I couldn't find, like, bricks that, like, would stop going on the floor. Like, the bricks just kept going on the floor, and they wouldn't, like, get in between the 2 panels. But so I basically have a 2-floor bedroom little place just for pets in this place. But I want to try to also like complete both the new houses and make them look how I want them and make them a complete, you know, little house that isn't really all that ugly. I made a penguin loft in one of the other houses, but anyway. But so, basically, as you can see, I have another teen penguin, so we need to make it a post-teen and then a full-grown. That's basically it. Mr. Penguin, good boy, that barely even aged him up. Why? I don't really know why that just... Also, guys, I have a question. So, why are neon penguins pink? Nope. Okay, there's a girl in our house. We cannot have that. No intruders, I'm sorry. But, like, I don't want you people just using my house and then leaving for no reason. Yeah, good. You left. Goodbye. Yeah, I'm gonna unlock my door this time, so that way we can just like, it's fine. No one's gonna come in. Right? No one's gonna come in. Yeah, no one's gonna come in. I swear, no one's gonna come in. But so as I was saying, I'm confused why neon penguins are pink instead of yellow. Because, as you can see, penguins have yellow beaks and feet. It would make more sense that it was yellow, right? Like, shouldn't that be the color for the neon penguin? I don't know. I mean, I really want a golden neon. I want a neon golden penguin. That would be really cool. So I might do that for a video, like, when I have a lot of Robux. But I don't have many Robux, so I mean, yeah, we're not gonna be doing that for a while, okay? My next Robux purchase will probably be in a couple weeks, but I don't know. I mean, I don't purchase Robux a whole lot because I'm not old enough to have my own bank account. So, yeah, I'm not the one that has money to buy it. It is my parents that have bought me these Robux. But, so anyway. Also, guys, you're probably wondering how, just like a couple episodes ago, I had literally one penguin, which was this penguin. Well, my friend gave me a whole bunch of penguins. And, by the way, this is my brother's shadow dragon, and this is mine. But my brother has forgot to take his back. So this is Shadowkeeper Snugpig, my personal favorite dragon. But so anyway, I'm just going to try to get a neon penguin today, because, like, why not? Also, guys, so I have a question. So, like, back, before pets were a thing, you could, like, bathe your kids in the lake. Why can't you do that with pets and, child players now? Like, I'm really kind of sad that you can't, because now it is literally a fully indoor activity, and you know, it's kind of just not fair because people then have to completely run all the way back to their house. And you know, if you don't have the premium slots pass, then you know, it's a big, just annoying bug. And people keep coming to my house. You know what, we'll just keep it locked. People are obviously gonna come into my house. I don't know why I thought that, you know, no one would come in. But so we're gonna take Mr. Penguin to the pool. You know what, let's use the SUV. Why is that girl wearing the men's body type? What's going on, and why is she dancing? Okay, we're just gonna drive past that because kind of strange. Not to judge, but like that's a bit okay. Oh my god, my car always just drives into the pool. It is the funniest and weirdest occurrence ever, every single time. No, it's gonna drop me down. Whoa. Whoa, I'm actually doing a pretty good job balancing on this ball. Boom, 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 boom. No, I'm falling off the side. Wait, let's climb up the slide. Can we even freaking do that? No. It just pushes us all the way back. Okay, you know what? Someone should make a beach ball obby because that would be so freaking hard. Because as you can see, they spin when you jump on them. It would be the most annoying thing ever, but you know, it would be cool. So like, yeah, because you know what, when an obby is hard, it's actually fun, because like, you'll feel like you've done something really hard. And why did that just happen? I'm so confused right now. What forces are pushing us like that? I don't know. Anyway, let's go out of the pool. I wish your penguins, or like any pet, I wish you could like put your pets in your car seats, cause like the seats of your car is completely safe for your pet. I don't really know why they don't let you do that. They should probably make a pet carrier so you can like put it on the seat of your car. It would be like so lifelike and cool. I would actually really love that. You know, to like just have a pet carrier you can put in the seats of your car, and you know, your pet is safe in the little crate. That would be adorable. And here my penguin goes again, freaking out, like freaking jump. Oh, what is this? Guys, why did that just happen? Can someone please explain why everything... Literally, penguins are the weirdest, most glitchy pet ever. Like, actually. Guess what? Last night, no, I'm not even kidding, it was another house, it was my other house. But so the penguin was going like this. So I spawned into Adami. We were right here. I moved a little bit because he was like freaking out on the floor when I was trying to go up the stairs. He was like going crazy. And then so I go through basically like over here, I think. But it was a different staircase, so yeah. And then he just like literally slides up the stairs. He slides back down, comes around. He comes up here. He jumps up onto the platform again and just keeps going in circles. And it was like the funniest thing ever. How he even literally just like somehow slid up the stairs like so fast. Like, I don't even know how it happened. But anyways, so actually guys, I'm running out of time to record, so I guess that will be it for today. I'm going to do a part 2 of this anyways. By the way, don't forget to hit the notification button to become a part of the Kitty Clan. So every time I make another video and post it, you guys see it. Anyways, that's it for today, guys. Goodbye.